up here. It's a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so I just identified a support at 26.16. So I'm going to pull up a buy order at this point. I'm going to take a buy. Let's see. Gold. This is a trend line. Now I'm going to draw another trend line. This is a trend line. Okay, now this is a support. This is a support. He has gone on to hit a resistance level here, and now it has dropped down to this support. Just like I spoke about in previous class, I said if you're able to identify that pattern, that trend line, you see it makes, this is like a high, then it retraced a bit, and the impulsive move took it here, and now it has retraced to the nearest support. So at this point, 26.16 is a potential support. So we're going to take our trade at 24.16, and then our stop loss is going to be within this region, within 24.06, and we're going to take our profit at 24.41. So we're going to take this trade. We're going to take lot size 1, then I hit buy. There we go. That's it. So let's go back to what we had before. Now we're 681 bucks up. Now look at our chart. Gold chart we had opened right here. Now you see we had opened this trade at this point 24.17, and now we're here now. So we're actually hitting our target. So it has started an impulsive move, so hopefully it goes upward. So I can decide to close my profit at this point, or maybe allow it a bit. So sometimes what you want to do, you want to lock your profit. You want to do a trail stop. Trail stop means setting your entry just at the same spot you opened your trade. So I opened this trade at 24.17. So I can edit this, modify this trade, my stop loss to be 24.17. So I go back here. So we're still 6.14 up. No, I go to modify, like this pen, this pen shape here, modify. So I change my stop loss to 26.17. Then I modify. Now see, I will not lose my monies in this trade. I'm already in the positive territory, so I go back to the chart. So you look at this now. I've set my stop loss at exactly the same position I bought. So that's it. So let's see. We're going to keep this trade. Hopefully it gets to about 1,000 bucks, and that's it. Thank you.